welcome back to another session of Mrs. Bat's Bat Facts. So today we're going to reveal the secret weapon against deforestation. I wonder what that could be. All flying around my head. You got it, it's bats. So before I reveal how it is that they're a secret weapon against deforestation, I think it's best to understand what deforestation is. So deforestation, as we well know, is just a clearing of trees in an area of land, right? Now, this can be done for a lot of variety of reasons, whether it's for agriculture, development, or even logging. Now, when the trees are cleared, what happens? Well, your soil is exposed and is vulnerable to erosion. When that happens, it leads to flooding, landslides, and other problems. So I got a question for you. Call it a little bat humor. But what do you call a bat that eats a lot of fruit? That's right, a seed disperser. So bats are important seed dispersers, especially in tropical forests. Now they are able to fly very long distances, which helps to disperse the seeds over a very wide area. Now they also eat a variety of fruits, which means that they can disperse the seeds of many different plant species. Pretty cool, right? So bats actually help prevent deforestation by dispersing the seeds to deforested areas. And that actually helps to restore the forest and prevent soil erosion. Now, how does that happen? Well, first I have to ask, how do bats help to reforest the earth? One seed at a time. Yes, a little bit of dry bat humor there. So how that works is the bats eat the fruits, right? Which obviously comes with seeds. And then the seeds from the fruit actually pass through the bat's digestive system and they're deposited in their what? Their droppings. So after they're dispersed in their droppings, they're then dispersed either by the bat flying around to another location when they disperse their feces, or it actually can be carried by other animals. It could be things like rodents or birds that eat the droppings from the bats, right? Which in turn allows it to be carried and dropped in other locations. Now, from there, once the seeds are dropped, they can actually be germinated and grow into new plants. So in addition to dispersing the seeds, bats also play a role in pollination of many different plants, which is essential for their reproduction. So why is deforestation bad for bats? Because it makes it harder for them to find food and shelter, right? So bats are an important part of our ecosystem and they play a vital role in maintaining a healthy environment. By protecting the bats, we can help protect the forest and other ecosystems that actually rely on them. So here's some specific examples of how bats help prevent deforestation. In the Amazon rainforest, bats disperse the seeds of many different plant species, including some that are important for forest regeneration, right? Now in Southeast Asia to be exact, bats help to pollinate durian trees, I think is how they pronounce that. And what durian trees are is an important source of food for a lot of the local communities there. Now, how about the United States? Well, interestingly enough, bats help play a role in pest control populations, right? Such as mosquitoes and agricultural pests. But what does agricultural pests and mosquito control got to do with deforestation, right? That's probably what you're asking. Well, the cool part is that when they're flying over the crops to catch these different pests, while they're in flight, moving from location to location, they disperse it out their digestive system, right? Bat droppings. And that helps to allow the plants to grow, the crops to grow. So it actually has a full circle effect, in the whole process, which is pretty awesome. So the important thing to know is that by protecting the bats, we can help prevent deforestation and protect the many benefits that bats provide to humans and to the environment. So I wanted to keep this short, keep it focused, and I want to thank you all for learning a little bit of bat facts. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and give a shout out to our seed superheroes, our secret weapon against deforestation, and let's dance for some bat facts.
My doorbell, it's too bad they midgets. And my grind so electrifying to shock you haters till y'all jump like crickets. I'm just a man on a mission to succeed. with a plan and a vision to achieve the bigger things before I leave. Facing life with a dream, mind on the cream like a cherry. Believe, binocular style, I'm observing, learning, praying to the Lord, hoping for liberation. Till I found freedom, I wrote this verse in the church in the back of my Bible. I won't become idle and worship, no idle and feed in my soul.